Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Ron. KLING 2.6 Pro just dropped and I've been testing it out with some FPV style clips, and honestly it's impressive. The footage you can generate is surprisingly usable, especially for shots that are either too dangerous, too difficult, or just too time consuming to capture on your own. It's a great addition to any creator's toolbox. I've experimented with 3 different FPV scenarios: a snowboarder carving down a mountain, a BMX rider navigating extreme terrain, and high-speed chases through dense forest. The first 2 clips were upscaled to 4K, which made them look a little sharper and more cinematic. Unfortunately, I ran out of credits on my artlist plan, so the last BMX clip wasn't upscaled, but even at the default resolution, it still gives a very clear idea of the kind of dynamic, adrenaline-fueled shots that you can achieve here. What's really exciting is seeing how the AI keeps improving. You can get hyper-realistic FPV footage without ever touching a drone, which opens up possibilities for creators who need quick clips for projects. Now, of course, nothing replaces the adrenaline rush and unpredictability and all the nuances of real-world FPV flying, like the quads you see behind me here. But for concept videos, B-roll, or shots that just don't have time to be filmed, these AI clips are remarkably usable. Also, KLING 01 or 01 was also recently released, and I tested that in the last clip of this video as well. You'll see it marked down in the corner which clip that was. So real quick, I'm curious, what do you think about using AI generated FPV footage in place of actual FPV footage? Could it actually become part of a creator's workflow, or is there still no substitute for the real thing? I'm like you, I like the real thing, but there is a place for this. So if you want to support the channel and you're interested in trying out some of these new AI tools for yourself, you can use the link down below for an Artlist subscription. It doesn't cost you any more to use my link as a referral link, but it does go a long way to supporting the channel, which I do appreciate. No obligation, I'm just letting you know. That's it. See you guys in the next one. Drop a comment below if you have any feedback. See you soon.